We've been watching this same feature for a long time now. It started out in the Caribbean, looked pretty good from time to time with big blow-ups of convection now and again. It just worked across the Yucatan. That disrupted the circulation somewhat, but it's now coming into the Gulf of Mexico. So it's got opportunity for a couple of days. It's still not very well organized. You can see there is a little group of thunderstorms here pretty close to the center, which is probably right about there, and another one is formed off to the west side there. But certainly those storms have not wrapped around that circulation, and that's what you'd want to see to really look for intense development. So at least in the short term, we're not going to see that. It does have some opportunity to become a depression and possibly a tropical storm, and the primary impact is most likely going to be really heavy rain coming into northeast parts of Mexico, northern Mexico, and eventually Texas. Now here is a great satellite photo if you like this type of thing. This is rapid scan imagery, and so you're looking at loops of images taken every 5 minutes. And look at how the clouds are kind of boiling there. Does it remind you of those mud pots that you see in Yellowstone? You can see the little convective tops there, overshooting tops, we call them, the anvils spreading out. So again, there is convection associated with this thing, but it's just not organized. It's not wrapping around the center of circulation. Until that happens, we are not going to see any sort of rapid development. So we had this land interaction. That was the first inhibiting factor. The second inhibiting factor is the fact that it doesn't have a lot of time over the Gulf of Mexico. Probably a good solid day and a half, something like that. It's going to be coming in most likely late tomorrow into northeast Mexico. And again, as that happens, we will most likely see very heavy rain setting up here towards Tampico, getting up into northern Mexico, and maybe eventually into West Texas, just as we saw the last time. So we could be talking about more flood concerns in the Lone Star State and possibly parts of the Southwest and eventually the middle of the country as well.
On July 15th, the world's best weather website gets even better. New look, new features, a new way to simplify your busy life. Take a tour today at weather.com/preview from the Weather Channel. It's the new weather.com. Weather the way you want it.